Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you will learn how to prepare the perfect chicken churrasco. Churrasco is a Portuguese term used to describe the grilling of meat in a particular manner in which the meat is cut into cubes and then grilled on a skewer. For today's recipe, I will be using 4 chicken breasts. Each breast has to be cut lengthwise into 3 sections. After which, cut each section into cubes like so. And now it's time for the marination, for which I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder or ground black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of clove powder, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of chili powder or paprika powder, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix this marinade well so that all the chicken pieces are well coated with the spices, and let this rest for around 2 hours. To prepare the skewers, I'm going to use half a bell pepper of each color, orange, green and red, and half an onion that I have cut into cubes. This is the marinated meat, and now to prepare the skewers, you need to alternate between the vegetables and the meat to give the skewer a very colorful look. Chicken churrasco is a famous Brazilian dish, and you can prepare this Brazilian dish at home in your own kitchen if you follow the steps as shown in this video. If you liked watching my video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have anything to ask for, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Here the skewer is ready, and in the same way most skewers will be prepared. You have to try this recipe out and do let us know in the comments how it turns out. There are just a couple of ingredients that we use here in this recipe, and you should be having all these ingredients in your own kitchen. So it's very simple to prepare and it is very delicious. The chicken skewers are ready and they look so delicious, so colorful and so tempting. And now it's time to grill them on a grill pan. I've placed my pan on the gas stove and I'm going to start the gas. And when the pan is hot, I'm going to add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to gently place the skewers onto the grill pan and let it cook on one side for around 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, you can see that the meat has got a nice color, a nice brown color. It has got charred on one side. Turn the skewer over so that the meat gets cooked on the other side. And let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes on this side. You can see that the meat has been cooked. It has got a lovely color on all the sides, and the skewers are ready, and it's so tempting, it's so delicious. You have to try this recipe. As a side, I'm preparing salad, for which I'm going to use a lettuce and cut it into small pieces as shown. To add a lovely color and flavor, I'm using British San Marzano tomatoes, which are deeply flavored in rich flesh, and it's perfect for the salads. And cut the tomatoes lengthwise as shown. You could use any tomatoes of your choice, cherry tomatoes or any other tomatoes of your choice. Tomato gives a lovely flavor to the salad, and salad is a very healthy option. Next I'm going to use carrot, and I have this julienne peeler And you can see how lovely julienne cuts that you get from this julienne peeler, using this julienne peeler. You could adjust the size of the carrots for you to have the cut of your choice. Look at these lovely ribbons of julienne cuts, and this is going to give the salad a beautiful color, texture, and it's going to look so nice. Next, to give a very healthy touch to the salad, I'm using beetroots. These are store-bought beetroots, previously boiled. You could boil the beetroots before you use them and cut them into quarters, as I've done. Beetroots are very healthy and very tasty as well. And here I have some blanched broccoli. I'm going to assemble all this into a beautiful looking salad over here. So this is my salad plate in which I've assembled all the vegetables, and now it's time to add a dash of lemon. You could add the salad dressing of your choice. You could add some salt, some pepper, some olive oil, whatever dressing you would prefer. This, my friends, is the final look of the chicken churrasco, the chicken skewers that are ready and plated, and they look so tempting and delicious. And I have paired this with a side of a very healthy and beautiful salad. If you have enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you for watching.